Them bitches not Ruby. Ruby's got an R on it, nigga. Yeah. These bitches hard though, for sure. I ain't even gonna lie.
Hey, would you ever get your like your car for real type shit? Would you ever get your custom like your engine customized type shit?
I feel like that shit extra though. I ain't gonna lie. Like this bitch hard though, but I feel like that shit extra. You know, engine customized.
That bitch crazy.
This is Z01. You ain't got engine customized? I don't think I would. That bitch hard though. No, that bitch hard.
Corvette show or some shit?
Yeah, it's just only Corvettes allowed or whatever.
Oh,
Chevy,
wow.
it's like a Chevy shit.
Oh wow.
Yeah. That shit hard though. I fuck with that shit.
And they got all the new ones over there too.
Oh God. I'm fucking with it though. You would get a Corvette? What? It's too little?
I just want to spend my money.
Would you drive one though?
Yeah.
I feel like I'll break that little bitch.
Man.
That person, look at that little ass shit. Is that a person? Stupid ass.
Hey, look at that one though. You can keep that one, man. Some GTA shit.
You right. You right.
That bitch too crazy right there.
This bitch hard. This bitch hard though, I can't lie.
That bitch hard as hell, bro.
This bitch hard too though. Well, they the same thing, ain't they? Yeah, they doing the same thing. That's hard. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, so we at the Corvette show right now. Little Corvette show. All Chevys and shit. These bitches tough though. These bitches hard. That bitch hard as fuck. Bro, it's hot as hell.
It's hot as like yeah.
Damn, it's hot as
bro.
fuck. I ain't gonna cap.
No cap.
Like it's about 90 something.
Damn, look at this bitch.
Little Lexus.
You see that though? Look at the blue shit.
Yeah, the F on that bitch hard. This bitch Fast and Furious. That bitch is hard. Yeah, look at the pipe.
Ooh, shit.
That's tough. That bitch fast. Stop driving so fucking fast.
That bitch hard.
No, for real, that bitch is hard, but I ain't gonna lie.
They had the triple stitch. Yeah.
Smoke?
Dark cannabis coupon.
He smoke. I don't even smoke though, but I'll take it.
Pass it to a friend.
Yeah, I'll support though for sure.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Oh yeah, for sure. You gonna blow? Yes, you is, nigga.
Hell nah.
Why not?
That shit be. They be just trying to get you to spend more money.
But they should be ass.
It's straight. They ain't a bitch. They got another one right here. Damn.
Them Forgiatos, them tough. I ain't gonna lie, them hard. This bitch nasty. Some
Jeez.
money bag, yo
You
shit.
tripping.
This bitch hard. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch hard.
He tripping.
That bitch hard. Got 40s on that bitch.
So how much the wheels cost?
I don't know. They like, I know like 40s like 10 bands though.
Look at the pipes on that.
Yeah, pipes on that bitch nasty. That bitch like 10 bands though for sure.
Burning up, bro.
Yeah, it's hot as fuck.
Damn.
What?
Fuck. Damn, man.
What?
You finna get dark as hell out here.
You shouldn't even care about getting black. Dark skin's winning, nigga.
I'm just, no, hold on. I mean, I know that, but I'm just saying though, like, this shit burning me, my nigga.
Ain't you supposed to like the sun? Ain't this energy for you, nigga?
I already get enough sun because I'm black, bro. When you close your eyes,
supposed
hey,
to-
what
you supposed
when
to
you
be-
close
you
your
supposed
eyes, what you see?
Black.
Thank
But
you.
you supposed to be gazer. Supposed to get your snow, your fucking sun in.
He still be dropping?
Yeah, you be dropping shit.
That bitch crazy as shit.
Where?
That one here.
Yeah, that bitch is nasty though. I can't lie. These bitches tough. It's really just all Corvettes, all the same. It's really all the same shit. C8s. I ain't see no Z06 shit. You know, Michigan, that's it's a Chevy city, so
Yeah.
you gonna see other Corvettes regardless. Oh, yeah. You wouldn't do nothing with that though. That sounds crazy. I ain't gonna lie, that silver bit's the hardest one I've seen so far though. That silver bit's the hardest one. That bit's nasty though. Tough though. I'm fucking bitch. It gets hard.
Yeah. I ain't never seen that. They got jewels in this shit.
Yeah, that bit's hard though. That bit's hard. These bitches all the same. I had to cut out all the music. I gotta cut out all the
We
music.
got a few of them lined up, but they ain't making it to the party.
Yeah, them bitches ain't make it over there.
They ain't making it to the party. I ain't gonna lie, if it was orange though, instead of red, that orange changed to red. Orange seats. True.
Yeah.
Damn.
I don't be getting to customize the engine shit. I mean, I guess if you got a show car for purposes, but I feel like that shit pointless. It's like just spending extra money.
You feel like your shit gonna interior?
Yeah. That bitch, I like that bitch. That bitch simple, but it's hard. That bitch right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, simple, but
Blue
it's
seats
hard.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah. This some shit
What, this loud one?
yeah, this bitch. I like that orange.
That bitch is hard. Damn, that bitch famous. The whole time, that bitch famous as hell. She the Corvette. That bitch is hard.
That's the hardest one.
This? This is hard, I can't tell. This? So this is the hardest one out the whole shit.
Yeah.
Fuck
Cause
no.
it ain't too much. It ain't too less.
He said this is the hardest one.
You gotta understand that it ain't too much and it ain't too less. With the yellow seats, fuck out here. This bitch hard as hell, boy. Hardest bitch in this bitch.
Nah, I don't
Crazy.
know. That bitch mid tier.
Outrageous.
That bitch mid tier. The Z08 finally.
That bitch
Z06.
hard.
This is Z06. This bitch hard.
Yeah.
Shit. Hard. I fuck with that bitch. What is he doing here? He's not supposed to be here. That boy not supposed to be here.
Brett Smalls, we need you to the table, Brett.
Damn, this the way we came.
Yeah, this is where we came right here. I ain't gonna lie, that bitch the 40 Auto's tough though. I can't even lie. That bitch so nasty. I can't even cap. It's hot as fuck outside. God damn. This could be the dummy.
That's great. That's a 2021 too, ain't it? Like 2019.
I don't know what year it is, for real. It's newer because of lights, but them bitches on Batman mode.
Damn, he got the red handicap stick. He ain't tripping. What?
This Deadpool bitch tough to sell too though. It's like a lot
That's
of
not
detail.
that did. That wing. I mean,
It's
that
a lot of
that bumper crazy.
This got a lot of detail to it. What?
They was going through it.
It sounded the Deadpool when the other one. I ain't gonna care.
Probably. Cops on my dick for what? Make sure I have everything down. Just for their ass. This shit is crazy. Cops on my dick for what? See what I'm saying? Like what? These niggas literally follow me into here. For what are you following me for? Like what are you following me for? You feel like what are you following me for?
Alright man, so we just ended at the car show, you feel me? And yeah, we checked out a few cars, it was decent or whatever, man. It wasn't really too much, it's like the same shit. But obviously it's a Corvette plate. Yeah man. It was smooth though, you feel me? Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. And until next time.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro.